In today's video, I'm going to tell you the top credit cards that you're going to want to get if you want to travel international and you want to get all of the perks that comes with traveling international. If you're trying to buy a first class ticket, you're trying to go overseas, you're going to figure out that it's not cost effective to do that. These airline tickets can cost you $5, $10, $15,000, $20,000 just to travel international. So me and my family just took a 21-day trip all around Europe where we started and we flew from Kansas City to Chicago, Chicago to London, and then we went from London to Florence, Italy, from Florence, Italy to Sicily, from Sicily to Santorini, Greece, from Santorini, Greece, all the way to Athens. I flew a ton of different airlines. I've got a ton of credit cards, and I'm always looking for the credit card that gets me the most reward. Like I got a Marriott Bonvoy card. I get all types of free hotels. I'm a top tier Titanium Plus member. So in this video, I'm gonna break down the best card that you can get for traveling international and the best card that's gonna give you the best way to spend your way into the top tier status, not actually fly. Because let's face it, when you're traveling and you're trying to get all the perks and all the benefits of airport lounges, free upgrades, and free bags, and all that stuff, you don't want to travel hundreds of different airlines or be allegiant to one just different airline. If you're in flipping homes, you just want to spend your way to get all of those rewards, and that's what I wanted to do. At the end, I'm going to tell you my top choice of what I just got and why I selected it and why you should too. The Southwest Chase Airlines card. This is one of my favorite cards. It's not international besides Mexico, but it still, does a few things. I think they're trying to fly to Belize and whatnot. This card is one of the best cards I have. And the reason why is you can spend your way and never pay for flights. They really, truly have a great rewards benefit. The biggest reason to get this card is for the travel companion pass. It's not like other airlines where you get like one companion pass per year. You actually get to have your companion fly wherever you go for free. And you can switch that up to 3 times per year. But you also can get like upwards of a bonus of 80, 100K, 50K, depending on what special they're running at that time in terms of bonus miles. So you can get like 25,000 miles, and you can do refer a friend. Like we always do the refer a friend to people, and that's a great card to get started with. First of all, the biggest reason to get the card is it's a travel companion pass with a sign up bonus of 80K. You'll need 135 points total to get the travel pass. You get 4 points per 1 mile spent. So it's a great card. I highly recommend it. If you're not traveling international and you don't want to fly first class, they don't have a first class on Southwest Airlines. I'm gonna go through a few things that I really like about Southwest Airlines because I fly it all the time. Southwest, I know for certain that I'm always getting upgraded because I'm A-list. I'm always getting upgraded to their boarding section, so I'm always gonna basically fly for free. And their internet's only like $5, $8 it might be now. But you can get internet, they got free movies, they don't have any of the frills. They used to give out nuts, now they give out pretzels and whatnot. Usually they have a great, friendly staff. I really like it. They've were founded and their bags fly free. That's probably one of the biggest benefits is that the bags fly free and that you don't have to worry about assigned seating. Assigned seating is such a freaking airlines thing where they're just trying to scam you to get more money from you. In Southwest, it's just like board, get whatever seat you want. It works way faster, and it's a much better airline than probably any other airline out there in terms of the way it's run, in my opinion. Let me know if you agree or not. The bang for your buck, Southwest Airlines domestically is probably the best airline out there to fly. All right, so American Airlines has got several credit cards, and I'm gonna go through all of them and kind of highlight which ones are the best. And this would be the second best airline credit card to get. They've got the Citi Advantage Platinum Select and the World Elite MasterCard. They've got the Citi Advantage Executive World Elite MasterCard, the Advantage Aviator Red World Elite MasterCard. They truly give you a lot of perks for flying that. And I've had gold status on American Airlines. It's not a bad airline. They've got a lot of direct flights. That's probably one of the best benefits. They fly everywhere. They're probably one of the biggest airlines out there. They've got a lot of perks, but they do really count their pennies and they do really watch where they spend their money. The number of loyalty points needed to earn status is you need 40,000 points to earn gold, and you need 75,000 points to earn Platinum One World Sapphire. Platinum Pro One World Emerald is 125,000, and if you want to earn their Executive Platinum, the Advantage Executive Platinum One World Emerald, it's 200,000 points that you're going to have to spend. To be honest with you, let me tell you a couple of the negatives. One, it's just too freaking complicated. 3 different cards, a bunch of different things that you got to do. American Airlines is a fine airline. I flew them actually to London. I flew them back from Athens. The staff was super nice. The international flight was super cool. They've got a nice first class. They've got a nice business class. It's a great airline to fly. One thing, and I'm gonna tell you this at the end, you need to know this. This is super cool. You can do this with every airline, and it's a really cool airline hack. It's called tier matching, and I'll get into how you can do this in just a second. That is the number 2 rated card. And the reason is because number 1, they've got lots of destinations, and basically you can spend your way to their status. Once you do that, you get things like free luggage, you get to go to their lounges, you're gonna get a lot of benefits, you're gonna get free upgrades. Really, who has got the best perks, right? Are you ready? Delta. It's the Amex Delta. And I really went into great detail to find this out because I really wanted to make sure I could spend my way to it. I'm gonna break down why this is such a great card. In fact, I'm gonna reveal it right now because I just got it. And people are asking like, what's the difference between the black card and the Delta Amex card? This is a better card. They do something called MQD. Free bags, unlimited upgrades. It's an Amex card, right? You can basically dispute everything you need to know. So in my opinion, the best card to get is the Delta American Express Platinum card. So let's go through some of the benefits that you're gonna get for being a diamond medallion. One of the biggest things you're gonna get is lounge access, and lounge access at these airports is awesome. I mean, when you go and travel on these airlines and you have the status, it's completely unbelievable. Unlimited complimentary upgrades, premium boarding, complimentary clear. If you want like one of the best things when you go to the airport, you want TSA pre-check or global entry and clear. Because clear, if you have those 2 combos together, you get to jump everybody in pre-TSA and you get to jump the front of the line with clear. And if you don't have clear, then you get pre-TSA and you get to jump every other thing. So if you get the combo, it's the best, right? And they give that to you for free for having that airline. Delta Sky Club, and you get a rollover. First check bag is free each way. Up to 8 of your travel companions also receive their first check bag free. As a Delta Medallion member, you have top priority for complimentary upgrades for yourself and your companion. Let's talk about some amenities at the airport. Priority security line access, expedited baggage service. I mean, really, Delta gives you everything that they got. You don't pay for nothing with this airline. It's such a great card. I would highly suggest if you're gonna do any sort of traveling and you're gonna be using Delta, you get this card. If I'm gonna say the best card for domestic, I'm gonna say Southwest. You know, American is up there with Delta strictly because not only do they fly a lot of flights, that's one of the main reasons. If you fly a lot of flights and you don't get a lot of benefits, I'd rather fly the one that has less flights, and that's why American and Delta were kind of hand in hand. But let me tell you how you can get both. If you get status on any of these airlines that I mentioned, you can do what is called tier matching. You literally write the airline and say, I would like to be an American Airlines Platinum member, American Airlines whatever member. Here's my status on Delta. Would you do what is called tier matching? And I've done this on American. When I had Alaska MVP Gold, I wrote American a letter and they gave me American Gold. And then you get American Gold and you miss Alaska and then you write them a letter, right? And you just do this. It's called tier matching. It's one of the travel hacks out there that works super great. That's everything I got for you. If you like this video, let me know. If you think I'm totally full of crap, let me know. Make sure you're traveling, make sure you're using your points, and if you're not investing in real estate, then we've got a link in my bio where you can schedule a free call with me and my team, and I'll teach you how you can get all these benefits and more. I don't pay for any of this stuff. This is stuff that not only gives me more time on my flips, like 30 extra days for the payments, and it gives me all these rewards. Plus, if you're spending these with like places like Home Depot or Floor & Decor, you're getting other points too. So make sure you know how to use your perks. Make sure you know how to buy the right credit cards. And I wish I would have got this credit card a whole long time ago. I'm not spending any more money on the Marriott Bonvoy. We'll get into more details later on that. Make sure you subscribe. We'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.